Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to submit a suggestion or a complaint in the Kuwait International Airport application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right, and then click on the Suggestions and Complaints button. And as you can see here, you can fill out this form, so just select the message type first and then the topic, and then just provide your first, your last name, your email address and phone number, and just send the message that you want to. And you can also upload files, for example pictures or screenshots that you took about the problem, and then just click on the submit button. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.